It's finally the day, everyone. It's finally the 500 subscriber giveaway. Once again, Kyle and I want to thank you.
Thank you
So much. We've had a lot of growth in the last couple months in terms of quality, in terms of us learning about ourselves, but also about this whole process and, you know, how to talk in front of a camera. That's one of the...
It's weird, like the first like 5, you're like, hello, but it's like you just get, you know.
Yeah.
And like anything, it gets easier with practice.
There's, obviously we have a lot more to improve on, but I'd say that we've definitely made, if you go and look at some of our first videos compared to now and what we're actually producing, I think we've definitely had some steps up and in quality and things like that. So again, thank you everyone, and this process, this giveaway is a way for us to give back to the Subaru community, for you guys who are supporting us and following us. So you know, we see your comments. Sometimes we don't have time to respond to everyone, but
I think we've responded to everyone though so far.
Yeah.
I think we at least, you know, it's not like immediately, but I think we at least get to everyone. At least, you know, like to comment or say thank you or whatever, which is cool. It's awesome at work and ding, oh, new comment. It's like, oh, who said what?
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, keep in mind, guys, this is not our day jobs. We both have, you know, regular 9 to 5s, but, you know, this is something we're passionate about and we enjoy doing. So that being said,
it's time. It's time
to see who wins this. So what we're gonna do is use this website, which randomly generates a user from the people that we selected. We'll show you on the screen here in a second, and we're gonna reach out to that person on YouTube through Google. So we'll probably air this as soon as we contact them and reach out to them. So we'll show you guys who pops up here, and
then we'll get the whatever it is that they, because I guess we'd let them choose between one of, what was it, 5 or 6 items? I forget.
Yeah.
So long ago. But we'll get that ordered in, and then we'll do like a little unboxing maybe, and you know, when we get it, and then we'll ship it off to them. But
cool.
So
all right, let me flip the camera around.
Okay. Comment picker. That is the YouTube URL, 47 comments, which is pretty good, which means that you got a 1 in 47 chance. So, all right. Do you want to do it? All right, we're going for it. Okay, get YouTube comments. Okay, and where'd it go?
Try it again.
Oh, start. Okay. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun.
Michael Krasinski. Carbon fiber mirror caps. You guys are the best. Yes. Michael, awesome. No, you are the best, good sir. Thank you so much for supporting us. We're going to reach out to you, and
awesome.
Yeah, this is awesome.
Fiber mirror caps.
Honestly, we might put quantity 2 on our order.
Oh,
and we might throw something special into the box for you. We're going to reach out, and hopefully you'll give us a response. So
yeah. Well, congratulations. Right. Does it say? Oh, cool. Going on right there.
Yeah. So I hope he's a WRX. He must be a WRX owner.
Yeah. So that's awesome.
Yeah, that is so cool.
Awesome. Carbon fiber mirror caps. That's a good one too.
Yeah. Make sure you save that. So
yeah, I did. I took a screenshot.
We'll get back to you guys once we have everything ordered and ready to ship out. And yeah. All right, guys. So I'm filming from here in my apartment, and I am currently quarantined. I don't have coronavirus, but just, you know, social distancing, working from home for this week. But I'm getting the chance. It's kind of nice out to finally do this video. The products finally came in from our what our winner selected from the 500 subscriber giveaway. So shout out to Mike. Congratulations, man. We've been talking back and forth on Instagram for a while. We had a bit of issues sourcing the product that he wanted, but we did. He did go for the carbon fiber mirror caps from OLM, and I'll show you guys those right now. Woo. All right, guys, so here they are. They're looking so nice. Let's see if we can get that weave in here. OLM did a really good job packaging these. They came in really nice. So Mike, once again, thank you so much for supporting the channel. He's been active on there and commenting on our videos for a while, and we're happy that he won this, but a bit of a surprise for you guys. And what I decided to do, if you guys noticed, there are 2 boxes here. So that means we have one set for Mike. I'm gonna keep these nice and packaged. I haven't even opened these yet. I'll take a look at them later just to make sure that there's no cracks or anything like that. But this set is going on my car. So I'm gonna show you guys how we are installing those today. Sorry, the focus is all over the place because the sun is shining off these because they are so dang shiny. I'm so excited to get these on the car. What's really cool is that OLM actually in this box, it came with an adhesion primer. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research as to what this actually does, but adhesion promoter. So I'll have to figure out, it's probably just like a solvent or something like that to help dry off and clean off the surface of the mirrors before I do that. But yeah, so we're going to get those installed on the car and then show you guys what that looks like. I just got some G-Technique panel wipe. It's gonna be good to get all this degrease off, you know. It's gonna do well. Let's see. Spray stream, spray. Say it one more time. I don't care too much if I, you know, scratch this up, but right now I'm just getting everything nice and clean. Make sure a good adhesion surface for this to, you know, bond to. So. Perfect. Let's just do a quick test fit. That is going to look so, so good. Show you guys a close up in a second, but. And the fitment is absolutely perfect. Cool. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a quick wipe down the inside here just to make sure that there's no debris or anything inside the, inside there. As you guys can see, there's already pre-applied tape strips, so we're just gonna have to lift these little orange pieces out. And then from there, we'll just peel it, place it on there, and hopefully, I don't mess it up. So the other thing that came in here is this adhesion promoter made by 3M. Let's see if I can get that in there. There we go. It's basically toluene with a little bit of sticky stuff, so it's really high solvent. Put it on the surface of the paint, and it's supposed to help prime with adhesion. They say once you put that on there, within 30 seconds, you got to put the mirror on. So it's a one-time deal. If you guys are nervous, then yes, I am too. So we're gonna try this and see how it goes. Just a couple drops here and there. And they're gonna make sure it doesn't hit the black, which I think a little bit might have dripped down on there, but we don't need too much of this stuff. It's strong stuff.
This is glue, strong stuff.
Alrighty, right now I can feel it getting slightly tacky, so I'm just gonna put this down and go for it. All right, and we're just gonna go for it. Let's just hit the corner first. And just kind of. Corner. There it goes. Okay. Ooh. So it says to make sure you apply good, even pressure throughout the entire thing. guess my printing might not be really always speed, but fortunately, we have a lot of power here, so no big deal. She looks good. That's it. All right. So it has my finger marks all over it, but she looks good. God. Yeah, that's a huge improvement. That looks so good. There's no gap at all the way around. There's like a little lip right here that tucks in underneath there too. Just looks great. Yeah, cool. I'm gonna put a bit more pressure, see if I can get that just to slide forward. But yeah, I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna be coating these and just cleaning them off one more time, just for the next week or two. All right, so it's all set. Both of them are set in there really well. I think I did a little bit better on fitting on the other side, just because what I learned from this side, but both look really good. Last final steps, two things. I'm gonna go do a panel wipe back over this just to get any of that solvent or glue and stuff, nasty stuff off of that surface, and then I put some bead maker on there, so. For those of you guys who don't know what bead maker is, this stuff is amazing. I put this on my glass, and eventually we're gonna use this as a top coat on my wheels and my paint, but there's a lot of people that swear by this stuff. It's really super hydrophobic. Gives a nice finish on stuff, so. Do the same thing, just a little bit here. All right, guys, that's all I have for you today. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting. Thank you, Mike. Congratulations. We'll be sending that box out to you this week, so hopefully we might be able to get some results and pictures from that. But it's on the car. They look amazing. I'm really excited about that. The only issue is that now that I have that bit on there, I'm gonna want more carbon fiber. And you guys will see what I have planned for the future. I have quite a few more carbon fiber bits to be putting on this car. So once again, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a short one, but we have another big video coming out this weekend. So make sure you guys stay tuned in for that, and we will see you in the next one.